Welcome to Learning Adda. Today, we'll solve an IBPSPO Prelims Previous Year Reasoning Ability paper. Let's jump in. Reasoning Question 1. Directions 1 to 5. Read the information carefully and answer the questions given below. 8 people A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are living in a 4-story building where the ground floor is numbered as 1, just above it is floor 2. Then the topmost floor is numbered as 4. Each of the floors has two flats in it as flat P and flat Q. Flat P is in the west of flat Q. Flat P of floor 2 is immediately above flat P of floor 1 and immediately below flat P of floor 3, and so on. Similarly, flat Q of floor 2 is immediately above flat Q of floor 1 and immediately below flat Q of floor 3. C doesn't live on an odd-numbered floor. B lives to the southeast of A. Only one floor gap is between A and G, who lives to the east of C. H lives below B and both live in the same named flat. F lives to the north of E. Which among the following statements is true? Statement 1. A lives on the topmost floor. Statement 2. G and C live on the same floor. Statement 3. No one lives to the west of E. Option A. Only statement 1. Option B. Both statement 1 and statement 2. Option C. Both statement 2 and statement 3. Option D. Only statement 3. Option E. All are true. The timer starts now. The answer is option E. All are true. C must be in flat P on an even floor, with G immediately east in flat Q. A is 2 floors above G, so CG occupy floor 2 and A occupies flat P on floor 4. B is southeast of A, placing B in flat Q on floor 3. H is below B in the same flat, so H is on floor 1. F is north of E in flat P, completing F on floor 3 and E on floor 1. D takes the final top right flat. All 3 statements are therefore true. Reasoning Question 2. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and thus form a group. Find the one who doesn't belong to group. Option A, F. Option B, D. Option C, B. Option D, C. Option E, G. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, D. F, B, C and G all occupy the 2 middle floors. D alone among the options lives on the top floor, so D is the odd member. Reasoning Question 3. Who among the following lives in flat Q of the 3rd floor? Option A, A. Option B, E. Option C, B. Option D, F. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, B. The solved floor table places B in flat Q on the 3rd floor. Reasoning Question 4. In which direction F lives with respect to G? Option A, northeast. Option B, northwest. Option C, north. Option D, southeast. Option E, southwest. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, northwest. F is in flat P on floor 3, while G is in flat Q on floor 2. F is 1 floor above and 1 flat west of G, so F is northwest of G. Reasoning Question 5. What will be the sum of the floor number of A and H? Option A, 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 6. Option D, 5. Option E, 7. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 5. A lives on floor 4 and H lives on floor 1. Their floor numbers add to 5. Reasoning question 6. How many pairs of digits are in the number 628187, each of which have as many digits between them, both forward and backward direction, as they have between them in the number series? Option A, 2. Option B, more than 4. Option C, 4. Option D, 1. Option E, 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, 3. A pair qualifies when its position gap matches its numerical gap. The valid pairs in 628187 are 628, 227 and 123. That gives exactly 3 pairs. Reasoning question 7. Directions 7 to 9 in each question below. Some statements are given followed by 2 conclusions numbered statement 1 and statement 2. You have to take the given statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance with commonly known facts. Read all the conclusions and then decide which of the given conclusions logically follows from the given statements, disregarding commonly known facts. Give answer statements. Only a few master is impressive, some impressive is crashed, no crashed is champion. Conclusions. Statement 1. No master is crashed. Statement 2. Some impressive are not champion. Option A. If only conclusion statement 1 follows. Option B. If only conclusion statement 2 follows. Option C. If either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 follows. Option D. If neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 follows. Option E. If both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 follow. The timer starts now. The answer is option B. If only conclusion statement 2 follows. Some impressive things are crashed, and no crashed thing is champion. Therefore, those impressive and crashed members are definitely not champion, proving conclusion statement 2. The statements do not establish that every master avoids crashed, so conclusion statement 1 does not follow. Reasoning question 8. Statements. Only a few trophy is good, all good is down, no down is hunger. Conclusions. Statement 1. Some good is hunger. Statement 2. Some trophy being hunger is a possibility. Option A. If only conclusion statement 1 follows. Option B. If only conclusion statement 2 follows. Option C. If either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 follows. Option D. If neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 follows. Option E. If both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 follow. The timer starts now. The answer is option B. If only conclusion statement 2 follows. Every good thing is down and no down thing is hunger, so no good thing can be hunger. Conclusion statement 1 is false. Only a few trophies are good, leaving some trophies outside good and down. Those trophies may be hunger, so conclusion statement 2 is possible. Reasoning question 9. Statements. All compare is cup. Some cup is play, only a few play is waiting. Conclusions. Statement 1. Some compare being waiting is a possibility. Statement 2. All cup is waiting. Option A. If only conclusion statement 1 follows. Option B. If only conclusion statement 2 follows. Option C. If either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 follows. Option D. If neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 follows. Option E. If both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 follow. The timer starts now. The answer is option A. If only conclusion statement 1 follows. All compare is contained in cup, and nothing prevents that compare group from overlapping waiting, so conclusion statement 1 is possible. The statements mention only a limited play waiting overlap and do not place every cup in waiting, so conclusion statement 2 fails. Reasoning question 10. Directions 10 to 12. Read the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E and F compare their weights on a weighing machine, but not necessarily in the same order. B is heavier than E, F is lighter than D. A is heavier than E, F is heavier than E but lighter than B. D is heavier than B. D is not the heaviest person. E is heavier than C. Who among the following is the heaviest? Option A, A. Option B, C. Option C, E. Option D, B. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, A. D is heavier than B, and B is heavier than F, E and C. D is explicitly not the heaviest, so the only remaining person who can be above D is A. Hence A is heaviest. Reasoning question 11. How many persons are lighter to D? Option A, 2. Option B, more than 4. Option C, 4. Option D, 1. Option E, 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, 4. The complete order is A, D, B, F, E, C from heaviest to lightest. B, F, E and C are below D, giving 4 people. Reasoning question 12. Who is exactly between A and E? Option A, A. Option B, C. Option C, E. Option D, B. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, B. In the order A, D, B, F, E, C, A is first and E is fifth. The middle position between them is third, occupied by B. Reasoning question 13. Find the odd one out. Option A, CDF. Option B, NOQ. Option C, STW. Option D, KLN. Option E, QRT. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, STW. CDF, NOQ, KLN and QRT follow jumps of +1 and then +2. STW instead jumps +1 and then +3. So STW is the odd group. Reasoning question 14. Directions 14 to 18. Read the information carefully and answer the questions given below. 7 persons M, N, O, P, Q, R and S are going to holiday trip in different months, i.e. January, March, April, May, June, July and August. Each of them like different colors: red, green, yellow, blue, white, black and grey, but not necessarily in the same order. 2 persons go between N and the one who likes red. N goes in the month which has even number of days. Only 1 person goes between the one who likes blue and S. S likes black. The one who likes blue goes just before the one who likes green. The one who likes green goes in the month which has even number of days. P goes after N. R goes just after P. Q does not like grey. 4 persons go between M and the one who likes yellow. The one who likes white goes after the one who likes yellow. N does not like white. Neither P nor O likes green and white. Which of the following color does Q like? Option A, green. Option B, white. Option C, red. Option D, yellow. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, white. The completed month color table places Q in August with white. Reasoning question 15. Who among the following goes on holiday trip in July? Option A, M. Option B, P. Option C, R. Option D, O. Option E, Q. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, M. July is occupied by M, who likes red. Reasoning question 16. How many persons go on trip between O and the one who likes blue? Option A, 2. Option B, more than 4. Option C, 4. Option D, 1. Option E, 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 2. O is first in January and the blue color belongs to P in May, the fourth position. S and N are the two people between them. Reasoning question 17. If all the persons go according to alphabetical order starts from January, then the position of how many persons remains unchanged? Option A, 2. Option B, more than 4. Option C, 4. Option D, 1. Option E, 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 1. The actual person order is O, S, N, P, R, M, Q. Comparing it with alphabetical order M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, only P remains in the same fourth position. The count is 1. Reasoning question 18. Who among the following goes just after P? Option A, M. Option B, the one who likes green. Option C, S. Option D, N. Option E, O. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, the one who likes green. R travels immediately after P. Since R likes green, the correct description is the one who likes green. Reasoning question 19. If the third, sixth, seventh, eighth and 11th letters from left of the word consequences are combined to form a meaningful word, then what will be the third letter from the right end of the meaningful word formed? If more than one such word can be formed, mark the answer as X, and if no such word can be formed, mark the answer as Y. Option A, N. Option B, Q. Option C, E. Option D, X. Option E, Y. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, A. The requested letters from consequences are N, Q, U, E and E. They rearrange to Queen. Counting from the right in Queen, the third letter is E. Reasoning question 20. Directions 20 to 20 to study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. In a family of 3 generations, there are 8 members A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. F is the sister of G. A is father of B. C is the granddaughter of G. B is the wife of D. H is the brother of D. Is the niece of H. A is the brother-in-law of F. F is not married. How is A related to C? Option A, father. Option B, grandfather. Option C, brother. Option D, uncle. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, grandfather. A is married to G, and their daughter B is married to D. C is a daughter of B and D. Therefore, A is C's grandfather. Reasoning question 21. How is the sister-in-law of H related to E? Option A, aunt. Option B, sister. Option C, niece. Option D, grandmother. Option E, mother. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, mother. H is D's brother, so H's sister-in-law is B. The wife of D is a daughter of B and D, making B the mother of E. Reasoning question 22. How many female members are there in the family? Option A, 5. Option B, 4. Option C, 3. Option D, 2. Option E, 1. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 5. The female members are F, G, B, C and E. Therefore, the family contains 5 women. Reasoning question 23. Directions 23 to 27. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F and G work in a company. Each of them belongs to one of the 3 departments, finance, HR and marketing. Not less than 2 and more than 3 persons work in the same department. Each person likes a different color among red, blue, green, yellow, white, black, and orange. F and A works in different departments but both of them doesn't work in HR. D and the one who likes white works in the same department, but not with F and A. D doesn't like white. E likes red and works in the same department as A. C only works with the one who likes blue. F likes yellow. C doesn't like blue. B and E works in different department. The one who likes black and orange works in the same department. G works in finance. A and G doesn't like orange. The one who likes black doesn't work in marketing. Who among the following works in the HR department? Option A, B. Option B, D. Option C, the one who likes red color. Option D, the one who likes green color. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, D. C works only with the blue-liking person. D and the white-liking person form the only department that excludes both F and A, fixing C white and D blue in HR. Thus D works in HR. Reasoning question 24. Which among the following combination is correct? Option A, B, finance, black. Option B, A, marketing, green. Option C, B, HR, blue. Option D, G, finance, white. Option E, D, HR, black. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, A, marketing, green. The completed grouping places A in marketing with green. The other combinations assign an incorrect department or color. Reasoning question 25. Which color is liked by the person who works in the same department as E? Option A, black. Option B, orange. Option C, yellow. Option D, white. Option E, green. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, green. He works in marketing with A. He likes red and A likes green, so green is the other color in ES department. Reasoning question 26. Which of the following statements is not true? Option A, the one who likes blue works in HR. Option B, or works in marketing department. Option C, B and D work in the same department. Option D, A likes green. Option E, the one who likes orange works in finance department. The timer starts now. The answer is option C. B and D work in the same department. B is in finance while D is in HR, so the statement that B and D work in the same department is the one that is not true. Reasoning question 27. Which of the following groups of persons definitely belong to the same department? Option A, C, D and the one who likes green. Option B, A, E and the one who likes white. Option C, D and A. Option D, F, B and the one who likes black. Option E, C and G. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, F, B and the one who likes black. Finance contains F yellow, B orange and G black. Therefore F, B and the person who likes black definitely share a department. Reasoning question 28. Directions 28 to 30. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. Ritika starts walking from point A towards the east. After walking 7 m she reaches point B. From there she turns right and walks 2 m to reach point C. Now she turns left and walks 9 m to reach point E. Then she turns left again and walks 4 m to reach point G. From there, she turns and takes 2 consecutive left turns and walks 2 m each to reach point D. From there, she turns right and walks 6 m to reach point K. Now finally she takes the right turn again and walks for 5 m to reach point L. In which direction is point G with respect to point A? Option A, north. Option B, east. Option C, northeast. Option D, west. Option E, northwest. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, northeast. Taking A as the origin, the path places G 16 meters east and 2 meters north of A. Since both coordinates are positive, G is northeast of A. Reasoning question 29. What is the shortest distance between point L and point T? Option A, 13 m. Option B, 11 m. Option C, square root of 113 m. Option D, 113 m. Option E, square root of 117 m. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, square root of 113 m. The map places E at coordinate 16, 2 and L at 8, 5. Their horizontal difference is 8 and vertical difference is 7. By Pythagoras, the shortest distance is the square root of 8 squared plus 7 squared, which is square root 113 meters. Reasoning question 30. 4 of the following 5 are similar in a certain way. Who among the following does not belong to the group? Option A, point A and point B. Option B, point B and point D. Option C, point C and point E. Option D, point K and point D. Option E, point E and point G. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, point E and point G. In the first 4 pairs, the first point lies west of the second. E and G share the same east-west coordinate, with G directly north of E, so EG is the odd pair. Reasoning question 31. Directions 31 to 35. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are designated at the 8 different designations: Chairman, Managing Director, MD, General Manager, GM, Deputy General Manager, DGM, Senior Manager, SM, Manager, Assistant Manager, AM, and Clerk, but not necessarily in the same order. The order of the designations is in decreasing order of seniority such that Chairman is the senior-most designation and Clerk is the junior-most. G is designated 3 designations senior to D. The number of persons designated junior to D is 2 more than the number of persons designated senior to E. 3 persons are designated between E and H. C is designated junior to H. A is designated senior to manager. F is designated 4 persons junior to A. B is designated senior to DGM. Who among the following is designated as senior manager? SM? Option A, the one who is designated immediately junior to D. Option B, A. Option C, the one who is designated 3 persons senior to F. Option D, G. Option E, B. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, the one who is designated 3 persons senior to F. The solved hierarchy places H at senior manager. H is also 3 positions senior to F, matching option C's description. Reasoning question 32. How many persons are designated between B and the one who is designated immediately senior to F? Option A, 3. Option B, 5. Option C, 4. Option D, 6. Option E, 2. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, 4. B is managing director in position 2. The person immediately senior to F is C, the assistant manager in position 7. Positions 3 through 6 lie between them, so the count is 4. Reasoning question 33. Which of the following is the designation of D? Option A, Managing Director. Option B, Deputy General Manager. Option C, Senior Manager. Option D, Manager. Option E, Assistant Manager. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, Manager. D occupies the manager designation in the completed hierarchy. Reasoning question 34. The number of persons designated senior to A is same as the number of persons designated junior to blank 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 blank. Option A, D. Option B, H. Option C, C. Option D, G. Option E, F. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, H. A has 3 people senior to it. H has 3 people junior to it, so H balances the count. Reasoning question 35. If B is related to Deputy General Manager and in the same way D is related to Clerk, then is related to who among the following? Option A, Managing Director. Option B, Clerk. Option C, General Manager. Option D, Manager. Option E, Senior Manager. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, General Manager. The relation moves to levels junior. B is Managing Director and 2 levels below is Deputy General Manager. D is Manager and 2 levels below is Clerk. 2 levels below E, the Chairman, is General Manager. Thanks for learning with us. For more bank exam practice with clear explanations, Subscribe to Daily Learning Capsule and share this video with another aspirant.